This is feedback for Jumanah on IC1. Generally, I think you did a good job. Just a couple things I would like you to work on. Making statements like this. In fact, 2018, everyone has a mobile phone. You really can't say that because it's not true. A lot of people do have them. Might even be able to say most, but it's not everyone. So stay away from sentences like this. I would like one more sentence here to connect all your background information to your thesis. Here in the body, I thought this was a little bit too specific. It's too small. They don't study. And I think you kind of had a hard time making examples for that. I think you had one good example here. This one was okay. The first one, I was like, is this related? You know what I mean? Meaning like, just because their eyes are hurting, you know, you have to make it clear, how does their eyes hurting make them not study? So maybe another sentence here to bring it back to that. Like, also, you're using as a result, 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 as a result. Try to change it up. That's why I gave you the paper with all the different transitions on there. So change some of those up. I thought this paragraph was a lot better. Make the changes and then upload it into week 9 ICE Port 1.